Okay, today we are going to speak about health and environmental effects. So as we all know that the solid waste management, it is very much necessary to avoid in the public as well as in the environmental aspects, because it's creating a very unhealthy, or I can say it's creating a disaster, and it is spreading a diseases by the origination of insects, and there are a lot of adverse effects even on the water, air, and on the soil. The solid waste works on the most exposed to the risk of practice, where the infection and the accidents are more. Hence, the solid waste management must have the proper mechanism to avoid these incidences. So, when I want to segregate, when it comes to public health effects, what are the issues that we are facing? As the volume of waste it is increasing rapidly, as a result, the increasing population and improving economic conditions in the various localities. This increases the volume of waste, which is creating a serious problem due to insufficient workforce or due to a lot of constraints in the disposing properties. See, there are some of the following consequences for the improper management of handling the waste. The first one is disease vector and pathways. See, the waste which has been dumped indiscriminately provides the food and the environmental triggering pollutions of vermins, which leads to various diseases. The pathways of pathogen transmission from waste to humans are most indirect through insects such as flies, mosquitoes, roaches, rodents, pigs, etc. Diseases are becoming more in the public health problem when they present in the human and the animal population of the surrounding communities. So the second is a fly. Most commonly, we can see the house flies or many kind of flies which are available, which transmits several diseases, something like typhoid, salmonellosis, gastroenteritis, and dysenteries. Flies have the flight range of about 10 kilometers, and therefore they are able to spread the influence over the wide range. The next is mosquitoes. This transmits the diseases such as malaria, filaria, dengue, etc. Since they breed in a stagnant water, control measures should be taken to elimination of the breeding places such as tins, cans, tires, etc. Again, it is a waste itself. The proper sanitary practices, general cleanliness, and the community help eliminates the mosquito problems, which is mismanaging in the solid waste. The next is roaches. This causes infection by the physical contact and can transmit typhoid, cholera, and amoebiasis. The problem of roaches are associated with the poor storage of solid water waste. The rodents. Rodents is an uncontrolled deposit of solid waste which provide a source of food as well as a shelter. They are responsible for spreading of the diseases, something like plague, murine, tyrus, okay, histoplasmosis, rat bite fever, okay, trichinosis, etc., which where the rats can carry the fleas, also it can cause many diseases. This problem was associated not only with the open dumping but also with the poor sanitation also. The next is occupational hazardous. So workers handling the waste at a risk of accidents, which creates a lot of damages, or I can say it is very lack of safety precautions. The sharp edges of the glass or metal, poorly constructed storage containers, or influenced injury to the workers, So therefore, it is very much necessary for the waste handler to wear gloves, mask, and to be vaccinated oftenly. The infections which are associated with the waste handling includes the skin and the blood infection resulting from direct contact with the waste from infected wounds, eye and respiratory infections resulting from exposure to the infected dust, especially during landfill operations. Thank you.